Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today, this is going to be a simple haul. We're going to be doing this deal of the week. It's the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Now, I started to pass on this. It's $1.99 for these little bottles, but I got an email from Fetch Rewards and that enticed me. So the promotion in Fetch is that if you spend $9, then you get back 1,300 points. So I figured, why not? There are some exclusions that apply, and I did want to go over that before we head to the store. So it does exclude laundry powder, laundry packs, scent boosters, and laundry sheets. You can redeem this offer up to 3 times, and this promotion is going to be going on until April 30th. So that sounds like a good deal. I can always use some extra laundry detergent in the stockpile. So I headed over to Walgreens, and as you could see, this was on display as soon as I walked in the store. I decided to pick up 5 bottles, and my plan was to use a $5 register reward, spend as close to $9 as possible, get in and get out of the store. But of course, when I'm in Walgreens, that is not always the case. I did grab the 5 laundry detergents, and I decided to browse the store just to see what else was going on in the store. So when I did do that, I also noticed that they also had these laundry detergents on an end cap, and the end cap had different scents available. So what I'm doing now is switching out some of the laundry detergents. I decided to get the Free and Clear, which is the one for if you are hypoallergenic. And then I decided to just try out another scent for my family. Either way, I picked up 5. I'm going to do the transaction and head back to the house. Now, once you do the transaction, don't forget to upload your receipt to Fetch. So this transaction went really smooth, and I was able to get my 1,300 points. Okay, so we are back, and this is our haul for today. We picked up the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Again, it was a part of the deal of the week, so they're on promotion for $1.99. I had a $5 register reward, and I also redeemed some of my Walgreens cash to bring the price, the out-of-pocket cost down. So that was my thought process for this haul. I wanted to get as close as I could to $9. So I picked up 5 containers of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, and I decided to mix and match and try a couple of different scents. So the first one with the pinkish purple top, this is the Arm & Hammer plus OxyClean Odor Blaster. It says 3 times powerful odor fighters. The next one is the, let's see, Arm & Hammer plus OxyClean. It does not say odor blaster. It says stain fighters. Okay, so that's the stain fighters. The Free and Clear, this is for me. This is for those of us who have allergies and we are sensitive to scents and smells. So this is the Free and Clear Hypoallergenic. And then the last one is the Powerful Clean Naturally Fresh Clean Burst. So this is our haul for today, and now we can take a look at the numbers. So this one was pretty straightforward. As you can see, I've got the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, and it's ringing up for $1.99. And also the $5 register reward came off there. So I did pick up some other items on the receipt in addition to that. But that's it. Pretty simple, straightforward deal. So it's a good week to stock up on laundry detergent if you're in the need for it. So that is our video for today. I have to get started with this laundry. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.